Hey guys, I'm Derek Day.
Jared Kugelman.
And Chris Coppett.
Alright, we're going to show you guys how to change a flat bicycle tire. We got a flat back tire here on our mountain bike. The first step to this process is to collect all your tools, which we've already done. First off, you have your new bike tube, screwdriver, bicycle pump, tire gauge, and then 2 wrenches to help.
Alright, the next step is going to be taking off the rear tire, and we're going to do this by using 2 adjustable wrenches. Put your wrenches on the 2 back nuts and twist them counterclockwise motion. And once you get them hand loose, loosen them up to where the tire will slide freely. You now have your flat tire off, and you can start to remove the old tube.
To remove the tube from the tire, you actually first have to remove the tire from the rim. We've already started this process by prying 1 bead or 1 side of the tire off the rim. So we had that started, but essentially all it is carefully taking a screwdriver, digging in, and leveraging out.
After taking off this initial bead, the next step is actually take the entire tire off the rim. You're going to have to get this valve stem out from within this tube and from the rim, pull it out, and slide the rest of this tire completely off the rim. As you can see, the tire has now been removed from the rim, so now we're going to take the damaged tube out from within the tire. The next step is to get your new tube and start to lace it through here, through this tire.
Once that's inserted, you can actually partially inflate the tube so it remains in the tire more efficiently, in more proper position.
I'm Matt Lingham. I was filming most of the time before, so I'm going to hop in on here. So the next part of installing this tire is to you start by putting this stem through the hole on the rim, and then putting the first bead, which is this first side, into the rim, and then the next step would be to put the second bead into the rim, and you'll have a complete tire. Now your tire is in place on the rim, and you can begin by reassembling your bike.
Alright, the next step is going to be putting the tire back onto the bike. You need to make sure you clear these brake pads. Bring this chain down, put it back on the sprocket. And then continue to tighten.
After you've got the tire aligned and put back on, tighten back up, we're going to pump up the tube again. Insert your stem, just pump away. You're going to use the tire gauge to check what pressure you have in the tire so you don't overinflate it.
And now your bike is ready to be ridden away happily.